How do we get to Neverland?
This vlog better turn out pretty funny because I just spilt Corinne's coffee getting ready for it. Sorry, Corinne. There's your coffee on the ground. My bad. Savage, I don't know that you're supposed to have coffee.
Charlie!
This isn't gonna be good.
Welcome back to Fur Baby Fridays. Thanks everybody for subscribing and also... don't know what I was gonna say. Hey guys, welcome back to Fur Baby Fridays. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, today we're going to talk about different things you can do with your dog that's fun, that will keep their mind stimulated, and also bond you with your pet. Okay, so here we go. So, I found this Nerf dog. I'm not really, sure if I know how to use it. Okay, I think I got it. This goes 50 feet. Let's see if Savage. Savvy! Sav, ready? Dang it. Seconded. Okay, I had a little bit of a technical difficulty. Here we go. Savvy! Ready? Epic fail.
Go get it, honey. Go get the ball, honey. Good girl.
Give it over here. Get it.
Jeez. Let go of it. Drop it. Thank you.
Ready? There you go. Fruit Loop. It's over there. Why it's not working? Seth. What? Rich? Look at this. My dog's the best. Okay. 7. There, maybe you need to do it that way. Shoot it right at their face. Okay. Alright, so what is the point of this? Bonding. And number 2, exercise for both you and your pet. Ready? Go. Go. It's supposed to go 50 feet. Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy. You ready? You ready?
You ready, puppy? Ready?
Okay. Stop. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you're so good.
I got another toy here for the little babies, and this one is good for mental stimulation, and then they can play with it for longevity because it's nice and sturdy, and then also you can bounce this and roll it. I put the treats right here in the top. So basically this would be a good toy that you can get for your pet when you're away from home, when you're at work, because this will take a little while for him to get this out. Charlie will probably give up soon, but a young puppy like Savage would probably take all day to try to get this out. There's a little hole on the side where they actually fell out. I just saw it. So you could probably put several inside, right here. You put it in the top, and then when they roll it, it comes out of this little hole right here. Okay, there you go.
what's fascinating is he figured out like how this thing works almost instantly.
So here's the third toy that we have for Savage and Charlie. You can use this for feeding time or just for treats. So basically you pour the treats or any type of food into the large center dispenser hole. And then Sean's gonna tilt it from side to side so it'll move the treats through the 3 smaller dispenser holes. And this is just great for them to, you know, play and keep their mind stimulated. So let's see how Savage does. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you subscribe down below. All of these toys I found at Petco, PetSmart, the Nerf dog I found at Walmart. Very reasonable price. Have fun with your pets, you guys. Hopefully this was helpful. See you next week.